This is going to be a video tutorial on how to loop a video in the YouTube app. I'll be using an iPhone SE for this, but the steps should be very similar for other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, the first thing you have to do is open up the YouTube app, of course, and then you'll have to select the video that you want to loop. I've just randomly selected a video here, and I have it on my screen here. And you need to tap on the video itself to bring up the play pause screen that overlays the video. And in the upper right hand corner you'll see the 3-dot hamburger menu. You want to tap on that, and then it brings up this screen here, and you can see right here loop is turned off. You want to tap on loop video, and now loop video has been turned on. But that's how you loop a video in the YouTube app. Thanks for watching.